Here's the slider for the 2007 to 2013 Chevy Silverado. Before you remove the old glass, you have to open the centerpiece like this, about 2 to 3 inches, so the cable won't be too tight to remove. And here we have the original cable removed already. And also, before you remove the cable, make sure you mark the side left or right, because the left and right side have different length, so make sure you marked it. As you can see right here, one side of the cable is shorter and the other side is longer, so make sure before you remove it, maybe after you remove it, mark it. And to put the cable on the new slider, there's a hole on the centerpiece track right next to the centerpiece, so you just have to insert the cable connector to the hole right next to the center glass. Once you connect the cable to the track, pull the cable, and the end is pretty much a snap-on, but the end cap, you have to turn it sideways and then turn it just like this and snap it on. Now we're connecting the left hand side cable, so insert the connector to the left hole and pull the cable to snap it. Same thing as the right hand side, you have to tilt the end cap a little bit and then snap it on the track, exactly like this. And as for the spring right here, you gotta make sure that the spring is inside the hole right here. If this is not inside, it can get tangled. So the spring, there are 2 springs right here. Make sure that the spring is inside. I guess this plug is inside, so if it's not inside, the cable can get tangled if you open the centerpiece more often. Okay, so there's a tab right there, so lock the cable just like this all over the slider.